guys, welcome back to my video. My name is Sasha and I hope you're gonna like this, so let's get right into it. So today I went to Walmart. I did not go to Disneyland. My sister got this from me when she went to Florida, but let me show you. I am in a tent. I'm not camping. This is in my bed at home. And, oh yeah, let me show you this. Come on, guys. Do not miss out. Please. And grab your tissues, because this is the sad part. This is my bird. When she was much younger, when we first got her, she had almost like no feathers on her head when she was supposed to, but they grew back, and my dad told me she had a disease, but she doesn't, and that got me upset. And she loves people. She was only a baby. Do you want to know why her nose is that color? It's because that's how you know she's a girl. So, I've been recording this for 1 minute, I think. What? Yes, so, bye guys. I hope you like my video.